I have bought a new cat from my Aygo from eBay for £80. Let's just have a look. This is a box. It's a non-standard size. It's just made, I think, by hand. Label, and also this is the inside. When I open this, it just looks like this. So it's just a handmade box, and there's some card inside here. Throw them away. And here is the cat with fittings. So I got the fittings with gasket, with seals, with some screws and nuts over there. So let's have a closer look. So from the label here we can see it seems like from Wolverhampton, and hopefully it's British made or something, and that part number BM91263H for Aygo C1 107, the small cars. And we have anything here that's maybe just more for delivery. So if you look at here, that's the part number, and also you look at here, is there's a smaller part number over there, and also it's saying Citroen C1, Peugeot 107 to Aygo, that the year. So it's approved to fit for Euro 4 manual water. So the second part is for the fittings. I think this is the least. So everything contains in this fitting bag. You can see the gasket over there, and there's some other things we will open. We will open later on. And at the bottom is the catalyst converter itself. And if you see here, it's just E9103R. I don't know what that's for. So that's the 3-cylinder. On this side, I think it's still the same label. It seems like very lighter than I expected. So we can put it on a scale to see how heavy it is. So if I put the cat only onto the scale, you can see that's a 2.136 kilogram. The weight of fittings is 339 grams. So altogether it's about 2.5 kilos. The whole box on the scale is about maybe can't see clear, but I can see it is 3.6 kilogram altogether. So now I can open the fitting, just cut the plastic back. So here we have the fitting, and it's stapled onto the board. So now we can see this is a gasket for the cat, and here we have a 2 bolts for the front pipe to the cat joint, and then we have a seal for the cat and front pipe. We have also some washers, 3 smaller bolts, and there's a nut here, and there's a smaller nut. Yeah, I think that the 2 bolts for the front pipe to the cat, and this is 2 nuts and 2 bolts and a washer for the catalytic converter, top 2 bolts and the bottom 2 nuts, and this is think washer and a bolt for the side bracket, and that 2 washer and the nuts, no idea what they are for. Now we can open the our catalytic converter. We have some direction here. It's a very thin layer of the paper. Okay. this is a Athlete's Catalytic converter warranty device, BM. Okay, and it is. Yes, it could be different here. You see, never find out what's different. Yeah, I think here it's different from the other one. This is the dot, and we need a nut to fix this. Yeah, that should be okay. Enter the label, and that's the part number. So the BM91263H, and similar again. Here is the fitting suitable for 3 cars, similar cars. Yeah, that should be about all. We're going to put all the protective cover onto this before fit it in. Let's have a look over here. Okay, so inside looks yellow. Okay. Here's the red label saying, so it's important to find the fault before you install the new cat, and do not use the exhaust paste, and recommend to use a new lambda sensor and a gasket when replacing the cat. And the last one, so after fitting your new cat, we recommend it's running for 10 minutes at a fast idle, or driven at electric space continuously for 8 miles to prolong the life of the converter.